I'm going to tell you another video. So today they got these Skittles. We're going to test them out with some other people, maybe my cat. There are flavors like grape, green apple, strawberry, orange, and lemon. So I'm going to try it on my cat and maybe some other people, but they already got theirs, so I'm just going to try it on the cat. So let's get a color out. She doesn't like the yellow in that scene, but I don't think she did. Want to try it? I can't get it. Okay, so the first one is yellow, so I'm going to try it. Okay, let's go.
He's trying to get away, guys. You don't like it.
Look at the cat. Okay, let's check my ring. My ring's messy, but no, I don't think so. Not as I can see of. Just try to find him or her or whatever. Have you seen the cat? Is it inside or outside? Probably outside. Okay. It's your channel. If you want to see that, comment down below. Hello, birdies. I can't bother finding the cats. Let's try the birds. Lizzie, would you like to try some Skittles? I know you like to eat everything, so would you eat Skittles? If you eat chips, you can eat Skittles. They're delicious. Try it. Lizzie, try it. You sure? Have you seen the cat, you guys? No? Oh, she climbed up the fence again. Come on, Lizzie. No? It's, this one is, lemon. Do you like lemon? No? Okay. Would you like green apple? Or strawberry? Or orange? Or I think this was grape. Yeah. Okay, Skittles. Would you like some too? Okay. Be back later. So I can't find the cat, so I don't know where she went. So I might have to end this video right here because I can't find him or her, whatever gender it is. We are saying the same side. I love you too. So have to go. We'll try again when I find him. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And trying to remind myself I forgot I didn't do the intro. So like, subscribe, comment down below what's your favorite part about this video. The bears or the Skittles. And comment what flavor of Skittles do you like. Or fruit. Okay, bye.